How to program the Sony Blu-ray player with the universal remote in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn on your Sony Blu-ray disc player manually. After that, you need to turn on the universal remote. So simply press and hold the setup button on top of it until the LED stays solid. Then press the DVD, VD or the aux button depending on your remote model. Some of the newer models use the streaming or the player instead of DVD. So after doing this particular thing, you just have to simply try these success Sony Blu-ray codes. So these are 1516. You can try 0533. Then we have 0864 1033. For 5-digit codes, what you can try are, you can try 21516. Then we have the code 20533. You can try 31516. So Sony Blu-ray players often respond faster to the 5-digit codes sets on the newer GE, RCA or the on remotes. So after entering the codes, you just have to test the power, the play and the pause button, the home or the menu button and the eject button. Many remotes can power on the player but fail to control Blu-ray navigation menus correctly. Now, if none of the codes work for you, you can just simply hold the setup button, press the device button again, and then press the power slowly every 2 seconds. When the Blu-ray player turns off, you can just simply press the OK or the enter button immediately in order to save the detected code. Now, the Sony players sometimes react with a blinking standby light before shutting off completely, so you need to watch it carefully. So these steps work for most of the Sony Blu-ray players and the universal remotes as of 2026. So you can try and let me know if any of these works for you. Thank you.